As a senior pro, I've been employed for approximately 2 decades over two continents in Europe and Asia, right? So the person has been employed for over 2 decades and in two continents in Europe and Asia. I've almost come a full circle and currently working with the same club that I had started off from at the top level. Okay, so person is kind of employed by the same club again, and it's almost a full circle at the top level, of course. But yes, worked in two continents, Europe and Asia, has kind of been employed for 2 decades. But who are we talking about? Anything that rings a bell? Again, it's a very first personality, very first clue. So my recommendation is take a quick guess, if in case it's not really coming to mind, right? Because a guess is there's nothing to lose.
2 decades.
Okay.
Across Europe and Asia.
Across Europe and Asia. So
This could be a manager or a player, right?
Yeah, anyone. I don't want to give it away, but yes, definitely. I'm sure people in the chat are also already thinking. Hopefully, you will get there. But I think there is a giveaway in this particular clue itself. I have to kind of give you that.
2 decades, two continents, Europe, Asia, full circle.
Yeah, and of course, a full circle. Currently working with the same club, and then the person is currently working at the same club that the person started from at the top levels. So, not many kind of will be doing that. So, again, person has to be connected to Chelsea.
Oh, so vague.
Yeah, again, take a guess, Baba, because I am kind of timing yourself, so don't take more than a minute for every clue is what I would say. But because it's the very first clue and very first, personality, I would strongly recommend you to just take a guess. Anyone that comes to mind who kind of is kind of working in the
Comes to
same
mind.
club.
Asia is putting me off, right? I've actually no one is coming to my mind when we are talking about Asia. Oh.
You know what? Sometimes I think probably one of the contestants in the past did take a guess and it came right as well. So you never know. Just take a guess is what I would say. Otherwise, I'll just move on to the next clue.
Let's move on to the next clue. I can't
Okay.
guess this even.
Okay, let me actually go on to the next clue. Wherever you go, at this club, ironically, when I played for them as a youth in the Segunda division, I just scored 7 goals in 40 appearances. Now, we are talking about the club that he's employed with currently, and he kind of started at the top level, of course, right? No, at that club, the person kind of played as a youth in the Segunda division and scored 7 goals in 40 appearances only. Now, however, overall, over a couple of senior stints, I have close to 110 league goals for them in 320 appearances. Now,
Segunda
so that,
division.
yeah,
So
so a
that
lot of
comes
clues
from
here.
Spain.
Yeah, again, I'm kind of breaking it up for you while you think. Of course, the first clue rather said that the person kind of worked in two continents, Europe and Asia, has come a full circle, is basically working with the same club that he started from, and ironically, as a youth, he started in the Segunda division with that club, but scored just 7 goals in 40 appearances. However, overall, has 110 league goals for them in 320 appearances. So this is a giveaway about what position that player or obviously player, right? And now it's a player is definitely playing or has been playing or was playing. I don't know, like that kind of tells you the number of goals in number of appearances and Segunda division.
Okay, the player scored 110 goals for the same club that he played Segunda division for, right?
Yes. Overall, a couple of senior stints. So now, again, that's a clue. He's had a couple of senior stints with that club, obviously. I have close to 110 league goals for them in 320 appearances. So in the league for that particular club, he has scored 110 league goals, that is, in 320 appearances over 2 stints. So someone who's kind of returned to the same club twice, obviously, and is still with that club, 7 goals in 40 appearances in the Segunda division, but has also worked in Asia apart from Europe. The fact is that the person has been employed for 2 decades almost, right? So that's what we're thinking. But Mikhail, I'll quickly ask you, how's it seeming to you? Just, without giving it away.
It's a tough one, but I guess because of that second hint that you gave, it kind of points me to a certain position on the pitch, right? That would have
Yeah.
those kind of stats. And then I start
Exactly.
thinking of people of that nationality that have played for us, and there are a few names that suddenly start popping up.
Okay. I think that's definitely helpful for sure, right? But having said that, Baba, I'm going to the next clue. Okay, so
Can I take a
keep in
guess
mind-
before we go to the next?
Yeah, you can take a clue. Yes, for sure.
Fernando Torres.
Fernando Torres. Well. And what makes you think it's Fernando Torres?
Asia, 20 years. I mean, he was
Who
quite
else
young
came in
when
the
he was made
house?
captain of Atletico Madrid, right? Just take. It's a wild guess. He played in Asia for a bit with Japan. That Kobe Vitesse, if I'm not wrong, the club. Oh my god!
I think that's
I think because there are only a handful of players from Spain that have played for Chelsea, right? It's
Yeah.
Mata, it's Fabregas, Pedro, Del Horno, Torres,
Del Horno. Wow.
Fabregas. These are the 5 players that I can think of. So I took a guess. Only one person of these could score 110 goals. I didn't know that Torres played in Segunda Division. That threw me off.
Well, as in, of course, he started off in the second division and then he kind of moved up.
I thought
But-
that he graduated from Atletico Madrid's academy straight to Serie A.
Not really,
La
not
Liga.
really. Not really. And of course, as we see that, definitely Torres is now retired and I guess has taken a lifetime gold gym membership. Very well done. Well, I know why that's coming, because let me actually. So the bonus clue for this particular personality was that I've actually taken extra time off to go to the gym.
Then I would have got it definitely.
Yes. In terms of what Torres brings to the table, yes, a lot of debate saying that is he a Chelsea legend? Definitely not a legend, but a Chelsea great in terms of great moments. He had great moments for me. Someone obviously, the third clue would have told that who's a mainstay in the national team for Spain. He's definitely right up there among the top bracket, right? As in he's scored like loads of goals for Spain and in extreme crucial situations. And of course, his debut for Chelsea, we all remember, wasn't great against Liverpool, and it took like forever. I think around 18 games to score, but at the end of the day, the centre forward, who was the only centre forward in the Europa League, and a lot of people forget that. Dembaba, from what I remember, wasn't eligible in 2013, and it was only Torres, and he actually, basically single-handedly, scored all the goals in terms of the forward line, right? So I think, of course, the Camp Nou the moment is something that no one can forget. Torres deserves definitely applause, but mixed opinion. I know that people say that he's more of an Atletico Madrid, Liverpool guy, but for me, as in winning the Champions League with Chelsea kind of makes him, Chelsea great at least. I don't know, people in the comments might tell me otherwise, but Baba, you have made a great opening. You have basically scored 4 points right in the first personality, and that's actually a fantastic one. And of course, El Nino, as he's called, and definitely he doesn't look like yes, true that. But yes, that was again one of the clues that I was about to share with you. But as we say that, I hope everyone here has looked at the description, followed Baba, as well as as well as subscribe to the channel. And Almighty Blues FC is more than happy to have you always.